Jevin, can I see the paper for a sec?
You say what?
That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
Oh yeah, I forgot the big news. Did you forget the big news?
Yes. It was my understanding that everybody had heard. So
Yes.
go say, heard what?
I heard right.
Jevin, don't!
While you're on birthday, Sky. So, I heard about...
Bird's the word of bird.
Hey, Durple, I
Bird's
heard
the word of
the Surfin Bird.
Bird's the word of
Do you like singing?
Yes. Bird.
Can I sing
But bird's
too?
the word.
Can I sing too?
No, about the bird. Well, Durple's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird. But bird's the word of a bird. Surfin
Are you okay? Are you okay?
So of course say, oh my god, Jeff. Oh my god, Durple, are you alright?
Oh my god, Durple, are you okay?
So of course say, that is enough. I have heard it. I'm a family laser.
What?
Jevin.
I heard enough. I'm a boy, Malaysia.